Denver getting clocked by its biggest snowstorm in 3 years. In fact, almost 2 feet of snow has already fallen in parts of the state. Aspen Springs, now that's way up around 7,000 feet in elevation, that leads the way in the mountains with 23 inches. So we're flirting with 2 feet already, guys. And that's just in spots. Travel, for obvious reasons, it's going to be discouraged along major roads and interstates across the Denver metro. There's a look right there. Parts of I-70 and I-25 have been closed off preemptively due to the nonstop snow. They want to keep you safe, and you can see just how slick and dangerous the roads are going to be. This is a live shot right now. We're looking into Route 287. This is also in the Mile High City. Visibility is not going to be great. Some areas are getting a little bit of a dry slot coming in, so they're maybe getting a little bit of a break, but not so much in high country. The storm, it is anticipated to dump up to a foot of snow in the Mile High City, with impacts expected to last through Friday morning. We want to take it out to Fox Weather's Max Gorden. So, Max, you've been camped out in Colorado since yesterday, monitoring the situation. You're just, over a half hour west from Denver right now. You've got snow behind you. Yesterday when we talked to you, nothing much was happening. Now I can see it coming down, and yeah, it is continuing to be an issue for a lot of folks.
Yeah, absolutely. What a difference a day makes. We're in Gorden, Colorado right now, as you said, about 20-30 minutes west of downtown Denver. Right now, we're standing at the eastern side of that closure of I-70. You can see I-70 stretching out to the west of us there, and you can see some big rigs parked off to the side of the road. Likely these truck drivers are deciding just to wait it out, maybe catch a few hours of sleep. And then off into the snow, you can see the flashing lights where cars have been stopped there along I-70. It's a 65-mile stretch going from here where we are in Gorden, Colorado, all the way to Silverthorne through the Front Range of the Rockies. Really nasty travel conditions right now. It was pretty remarkable seeing the difference between downtown Denver, where we were for our last hit in the last hour, just driving out here west to Gorden, Colorado. You could really see the travel conditions deteriorate as we were driving along the 6th Avenue freeway there. In downtown Denver, we've only seen about, I would say an inch, 2 inches or so of snow. But out here in Gorden, some of these drifts are very deep. I'd like to show you actually just how deep these drifts are right here. You can see up to my knees in some areas. So very deep drifts out here in Gorden. We've already seen that snow total over in Aspen Springs reach 23 inches of snow. So this storm is just getting started, and it's expected to have major impacts all throughout the Denver metro area. Denver public schools are going to be closed today. Most city workers are working remotely today. Denver International Airport's already seen lots of delays, cancellations, though they say the airport is functioning as normal. They're just telling folks to check with their airline to see if their flight is still going to be operating today. But yeah, we've already seen some very significant impacts from this storm, and we're going to continue to see significant impacts as we move throughout the day. Inches, if not feet, more of snow are on the way. We'll keep you posted right here on Fox Weather.